Welcome to Igloo. We are the Immersive Space Company. We create award-winning immersive spaces and software dedicated to delivering the most powerful experiences to improve visualization, simulation, engagement, and collaboration. And the most innovative businesses around the world have noticed. Stepping into an Igloo immersive space is a bit like stepping into a giant virtual reality headset, except you can get whole groups inside, so it's always a shared experience. Every Igloo space is powered by our software, Igloo Core Engine. It's an operating system created specifically for shared immersive spaces. This makes it easy to create them, easy to operate them, and easy to benefit from them.
Igloo Core Engine can power any shared immersive space,
irrespective of size, shape, configuration, or display technology. And it's also great for other large format displays. Let us show you what it can do. Having an Igloo immersive space opens up a world of opportunities for every organization. So what are you waiting for?